Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of BVS Blogs. Today I'm taking you along on a field trip from Fanshawe College to explore 4 different places in London and outside the London. It's in St. Thomas. So it's gonna be an exciting day filled with learning and adventure. So let's dive right into it. Okay, here we are in our first stop, that is Canadale Nurseries Ltd. So it's like around 30-minute drive away from the London, and it's in St. Thomas. And it's really renowned for its wide variety of plants and gardening supplies. Join me and explore the expensive greenhouses and lush outdoor gardens in St. Thomas.
We get an advance notice of what's going to happen, but we get a chance to help shape it too, based on our feedbacks. A perfect example of that is that we know how every bit of groundwater moves through our nursery, every bit of it. We have
Okay, that was all about the Canadale Nurseries Limited. Next up, we are heading to the Turkey Shoppe. So unfortunately, the weather is gloomy today, but that won't dampen our spirits as we learn about turkey farming and the importance of poultry production in Canada. Look at that amazing dragon train in St. Thomas. That looks amazing, right? So, let's go to the turkey farm.
Program are you in?
Agribusiness.
Agribusiness. And what do you hope to do with that eventually? Like what will that what are you learning?
Sorry guys, there wasn't much more to show in the turkey farm due to the bad weather, and yeah, it was still an informative experience learning about the process involved in turkey farming, their supply from farm to the slaughterhouse, and the industry's impact in the local community. So without any delay, let's move towards our another destination, that is London Dairy Farm. Okay, let's talk about the dairy farm. It is known for its commitment to sustainability and animal welfare. So let's get ready to meet some adorable cows and learn about the dairy production process from farm to table. Let's hop into the site. So inside this dairy farm, they have cool technology and smart methods to keep their cows happy and healthy. Their automated milking and the process that keeps to milk clean and milking process quick. That was really awesome. You can just look at that process, how they start the milking. Furthermore, they are also using different type of fancy tools to track their cows' health, and also to maintain the lactation. They also provide different types of nutritional food to them, and it's all about taking good care of our domestic friends, you know. Just look at the making process, how cool it looks. And yeah, they also take care of the cows. They clean their titties when they are done with after milking, so it's completely safe and healthy for the cows.
no milk, there's no antibiotics in any milk that gets sold in Canada. You want to have it because you're paying for that entire truckload. You're also going to pay a fine for having put antibiotics in your milk. So that's a really big deal here, just so you guys know.
The owner was really energetic. She was like the guide for us during our whole visit in her farm, and she had done a great job. Before I visit the farm, I have different type of expectations, like how does they manage the cow, and is that going to be healthy for them? Are they going to be like really healthy? But after I visit their place, I feel like it's completely well managed and well sanitized. They have taken care of each and everything about the abstracts, like excreta of the cows, and all the diseased cow, healthy cows. They were all separated, and different breeds were kept separately, so it was really managed. And look at those calves. They were just kept separated from their mothers after like 1 or 2 weeks, and they were kept in a separate igloo like tubs in the outside environment from the parents. And they were fitted well, and the management was really good. And this is the feed store where they collect all the feeds that they need for their cows, and they just mixed up in certain ratios, and they fed their cows from there. Okay, after that amazing visit in the dairy farm, now we are heading to our final stop of the day, which brings us to A&L Canadian Laboratories. Over here, we'll gain some insights into soil testing and agricultural researches done by different scientists.
So that's driving ground, so it comes from. Yep. So this is actually the beginning of day 2. So it goes from soil.
Back in my country, we used to do the soil sampling and soil testing all manually, but over here you can look, they are all done by the masons, and they are almost accurate to 100%. Like there is 0% chance of having any miscalculation and misjudgment. So yeah, that was all about the technology in the soil labs. All those data that they provide are really accurate, and they are really valuable data for the crop management. They are playing like a crucial role in supporting the farmers and promoting sustainable agricultural practices in and outside the London area. Okay, now we are here in trial center where they have done different types of nutrient management and soil trials. So yeah, these are all carried out by researchers and students over there, which seems awesome. With this all, our field trip comes to an end. I want to thank you all for joining me on this adventure. It's been an incredible day filled with new experiences and valuable insights into the world of agriculture. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, happy farming.